Fish one. Oh, it's a nice fish. Fish on. What's up everybody, Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. It is a cool day, have about 45 degrees, sunny skies, a little bit of a breeze. The creek is looking really good, has a nice flow to it, and it's pretty clear. Hopefully we can get some in the net. Stay tuned. Today I got my 6-foot light Fish Hawk rod, Shimano 1000 reel, 6-pound test, P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end I have a EuroTackle Z-Spender jerkbait. If you guys want anything from EuroTackle, use code FISHHAWK to save some money. Fish one. Oh, it's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. First fish of the day, absolute beast, around 18 inches. Got a big old scar on him. What a start to the day, guys. 18-inch wild brown trout on the Z-Spender jerkbait. I've been fishing for about 45 minutes, had a couple follows, but that was the first one in the net. Going to be hard to top that one, but let's keep it going. Fish on. Oh man, almost had him to the net. I do have all the barbs pinched down on these treble hooks, so going to lose some, but that's just part of it. Let's see if we can get another one. Fish on. That's a rainbow. Second fish of the day, rainbow trout. That was a pretty cool catch, guys. Saw the trout following my jerkbait, and I had it right here in the current, and I just gave it a couple twitches, and he came up and hit it. Fish on. Back-to-back trout out of the same hole. Third fish of the day. Beautiful brownie. Back-to-back trout out of this run, a rainbow and a brown trout. There's some fast moving water right here, but over there against the bank, there's some still water creating a nice eddy, and that's where those fish are hanging. Fish on. Another pretty brown. Just got up to this nice hole here, has some good depth to it, probably around 3 foot deep and a nice flow. Caught one on the second cast. Let's see if I can pull another one out. There's a fish. Sorry, a little booger. Just a little fella. Fish on. Not a very big one, but really pretty. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Pretty slow day of trout fishing, but I managed to get some in the net. Caught one really nice one around 18 inches. All the fish I caught today was on the EuroTackle Z-Spender jerkbait. I'll leave a link down in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.